Welcome to the Cox Business Video Library. In this video segment, we'll provide an overview of the Trunk Group Management feature and demonstrate 3 changes that can be made by a user. They are updating trunk group names, taking trunk groups in or out of service, and setting up call forwarding. Let's get started. To access Trunk Group Management, go to coxbusiness.com and log into My Account. If you've lost or forgotten your login credentials, click Forgot Password, and you'll receive an email from Cox with your login credentials. Once logged in, scroll down to My Services. Click on Trunk Group Management. Next, you'll see a Trunk Group Management screen, which includes a link to a user guide containing detailed instructions on how to make changes to various elements of the trunk group. As you scroll further down, you'll see the 2 main sections you can access to make changes to the account. They are Trunk Group. Within this section, users have the ability to make several changes to the trunk service, such as change the name of the trunk group, update the trunk group state, and set up call forwarding options for all inbound calls. Enterprise Trunk is the retainer of telephone numbers that can be configured to route inbound calls to trunk groups. Users can see Enterprise Trunk configuration to determine how inbound calls are routed across one or more trunk groups. These configurations support load balancing and failover. To make changes within the trunk group, click on Edit. Within this section, we'll change the name of the trunk group from TN402-506-6211 to Omaha Main Office. Next, let's look at trunk group state. If a trunk group needs to be taken out of service for any reason, such as an office temporarily shuts down due to a power outage or PBX maintenance, it can be switched by clicking on the Out of Service radio button. Finally, let's take a look at the call forwarding option. Is the trunk only used during business hours? If all inbound calls need to be forwarded to another location, enable the Always radio button. Enter a 10-digit telephone number where calls should be forwarded, and then click the Save button. Within the Enterprise Trunk section, you have the ability to rename the Enterprise Trunk. In this example, the Enterprise Trunk is named TN402-506-6210, but can be changed by overwriting the name. In this example, we'll change it to Miller's Landing. When you're finished, click Save. Additionally, you have the ability to utilize the Route Exhaustion button to easily forward calls for the Enterprise Trunk. To do so, click the radio button to the On position. Enter a 10-digit phone number in the Forward To field, and then click Save. Route exhaustion is the final reroute attempt once all failover and other actions have taken place to use available capacity. Customers with more traffic and multiple trunk groups should verify the overall design and operation of their voice trunks with a network engineer. Cox Business will always be here to help our customers. For more information about this feature and others, visit coxbusiness.com/starthere.